So how many of you are planning a trip for spring break, for the summer, for the fall? You need to be thinking about two things. How am I covered with my health insurance while I'm on this trip? And two, how is my trip covered if anything were to go awry? So let's talk about your health insurance first. If you're staying within the continental United States, your health insurance that you have will probably cover any emergencies that may arise because you're in the continental United States. If you're planning on going to a foreign country, like you're going to the Caribbean, and maybe even you're going on a cruise that goes out into the Caribbean or into foreign waters, you're going to want to make sure that you get a policy that covers you when you're not in the United States. And it's not very expensive. They range anywhere from probably around $40 to $80 per person to cover up to $1 million, sometimes a little bit higher, of medical expenses that you may incur. And it also helps to cover if you're so sick that you have to have a different way home, that you can get that coverage to come home also. So it's very important to know how your health insurance covers you, but most will not cover you when you leave the United States and go to a foreign country. So you want to make sure that you have it planned ahead of time and not when, oh my gosh, I have an issue. The second thing is covering your trip. Sometimes things happen. Your luggage gets lost, your flights get delayed, or maybe you miss the port and you're going on a cruise. You want to have a trip coverage that will help you to replace some of those things that got lost when your luggage got, misplaced, sent to a different direction, or you miss a connection that will help you to get to your destination of where you need to be. So keep in mind that you want to make sure you check your health insurance and you look at that travel insurance to cover your trip. And if you have questions, reach out to me. I'm more than happy to talk and make sure you have the right coverage and an amazing trip.